In this video, I will show you how to reset OBS settings to default. So I'll be showing you today how to reset your OBS Studio to its default settings and start fresh if you've changed settings, profiles or other configurations and want to return to the original setup. Whether OBS Studio isn't working the way you want, you've made too many changes, or you just simply want to start over with a clean configuration, this guide will show you exactly what to do. If this video does help you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below and subscribe for more OBS Studio tutorials, streaming tips, recording guides and easy tech tutorials. Now, as you can see, I'm currently using OBS to record, but you can see I've got a few different sources, and it might be the same for yourself where you've got some different sources and scene setup and you just want to revert to the default settings for OBS. Now, to do this is actually really easy to do. If you do have OBS opened, make sure you close it down fully first of all, and once you've done that, from your desktop you want to come and click onto your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. Now in here you want to type the following, which is a % symbol followed by app data and then another % symbol. You should see this come up underneath best match as a file folder. Give that a click, that's going to open a folder like this, and from here you want to find your OBS folder. Now this is in alphabetical order, so if you just scroll down to O, and you should find a folder called OBS Studio. Once you've found that, double click to open the folder, and all you want to do is basically delete everything within this folder. So if you just go ahead and highlight everything, and then what you can do is come up and click the trash can icon at the top. What that's going to do is delete all the profiles and configurations, things like that. And when you next open up OBS, you're going to see it's going to reset to its default settings, and you'll have a clean, fresh version of OBS Studio ready to use. So that is how to reset OBS settings to default. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more OBS and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.